Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Geekvape Wenax K2 18 watt pod system featuring a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, 18 watt max power output, utilizing dual firing capabilities, precise airflow adjustments, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with Geekvape's 2ml K1 pod, compatible with the previous Wenax K1, utilizing an integrated mesh coil configuration, delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL experience. Let's get right into it and present the new Wenax K2 pod system by Geekvape. And here we have the new Wenax K2 pod system provided to us as a sample by Geekvape, the second rendition to the lightweight Wenax K1. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the K2 offers a lighter form factor build, made to be more resistant to normal wear and tear, with a glossy exterior finish designed to look stunning and visually captivating. Available in 6 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the glossy blue edition for today's review. Just a quick recap, here we have a side-by-side comparison between the original Wenax K1 and the new Wenax K2 pod system. Now the overall size between the two appears to be identical, with the Wenax K1 providing a standard circular firing button, while the K2 offers a rectangular design with a rounded edge finish. Both devices will be compatible with the 2ml refillable K1 pod, with the new K2 upgraded to a transparent pod structure design dedicated to better flavor performance, integrating a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery. The Wenax K2 delivers a max power output of 18 watts, utilizing a 3-tiered power adjustment feature, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The device will utilize dual firing capabilities, offering both manual button pressing and auto draw activation. Here we have a built-in LED battery light indicator, offering 3 different color LED effects, with an adjustable airflow control side lever on one side, fast charging Type-C USB on the other. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the LEDs will light up, indicating the device is on. Press the firing button 3 times to adjust the power levels, indicated by its respective color LEDs. Here we have white for low, blue for medium, and green for high. Now by default, the device will offer dual firing capabilities. However, if we choose to operate the Wenax K2 strictly via auto draw activation, we would press the firing button 5 times. And now the device will operate strictly via auto draw activation. Press the firing button 5 times again to power off the device. The K2 will be paired with a refillable Wenax K1 pod, offering a transparent pod structure design, ergonomic mouthpiece, with a side fill system housing up to 2ml of e-liquid, compatible with the previous Wenax K1 pod system, offering multiple ways to enjoy satisfying flavor production. The package will include the Wenax K2 battery device with a 2ml refillable K1 pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.8 ohm mesh coil, rated between 12 to 16 watts, an extra K1 pod with a pre-installed 1.2 ohm mesh coil, rated between 10 to 12 watts, a Type-C USB charging cable, and lastly, a user manual.